Hello, so this is my forecast for Friday, and let's get started with the euro. So what we had was we had this huge flat range, breaking the lows, retracing, breaking the highs, retracing, and then we got this massive impulse to the upside. And after this massive impulse, we got a large wick, and we got a continuation pattern or a bump. So when we got the large wick, I was looking for a range, which we did get, and then I was looking for an entry. So the entry is the break of the first low and then a retrace. So I actually got in on this candle right here. Let me just put the stop loss. So yeah, I got in this candle. So we got a range, broke the low, solid candle, which did signal momentum, but then we retraced immediately and got an entry candle. So I was happy to take the trade because I saw no shift in the momentum. And currently we are in some drawdown, so we will see what happens. I'm waiting currently for the euro to break the high so I can reduce my risk and then get a continuation to jump in on the trend some more. Or I'm looking for it just to range between the high and the low. Or maybe what will happen is that we will just shoot down like this, then I will look for a continuation. But it all depends on how the impulse looks like and what the pullback looks like, because then it will be a sort of a V reversal. So I will need to see what happens after the impulse. Okay, so that's it for the euro, currently in a trade and waiting to see what happens. For the Aussie, we are just continuing to range this ascending corrective range, breaking the highs, retracing, breaking the lows, retracing, but also moving in, I would say, this ascending fashion. Let me just grab the lines. So this ascending fashion. And what I am looking for, well, what I do expect is that we will just continue ranging between this high and this low. Because as you can see, we broke the high, got a large wick, retraced, and I think after this large wick, we will just continue ranging. And what I would like to see is momentum impulse to the downside, then a continuation, or momentum impulse to the upside. I would also look for a continuation, or maybe this ascending, then impulse down, also look to enter a continuation, or maybe a descending that breaks the low, impulse to the upside, continuation. So I need to see some momentum and I need to see price move away from this range. So yeah, that's it for the forecast. The euro is looking good and the Aussie is just ranging. See you in the next one.